So it's nice and relaxed. There you go. So you're going to drop your head this way. There you go. I'm going to stabilize you with my knees. Oh, there's one.
Yeah, that was nice.
It'll make you feel a little like sweaty.
Yeah, a little bit.
See, it's not that bad.
No, I needed that. I
Yeah.
feel like my whole body's tingling right now.
It probably is. It'll almost give you like a little adrenal response. So you
Yeah.
get like almost like fight or flight-ish.
Yeah,
Not bad, right?
not bad.
And it's like way quicker than what you'd think. It just kind of bang. The first time you've been adjusted, like really,
Yeah.
right?
Really.